Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first point is a rooster. This is a rooster. A sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep. The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next point is a deer. This is a deer. The next animal is a cow.